So welcome back guys. In this video I will tell you about how to make a student identity card in MS Word. Here you can see that I make an student ID card in MS Word 2010 version. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you. So let's start the video. First of all, we will open MS Word. After open MS Word, I will go to page layout, click on size, select more paper size, and here I will choose width 3.5 and height 2 and click on OK. So there it gives an error, so we will go to margins and we will set margins top and bottom to 0.5 in this way and click OK. So here the standard size of ID card is ready. Now I will go to insert, click on shapes and I will select a rectangle in such a way and go to shape outline with no outline, and shape fill with this blue color in such a way. After it I will make duplicate of this one by selecting first of all, and second I will move it with the help of control click in such a way. So I will decrease the size of this one in this way. After it I will go to insert, click on shapes and take our text box in such a way. So I will write here student identity card, I will select whole one and increase the size in such a way, make it bold, and second one I will choose this one, go to format and shape fill with no fill and shape outline with no outline, and I will choose the color of this whole one. First of all I will select whole and now I will go to select the color of the text white in this way. So after it I will go to insert and click on pictures. So here I will put the picture which I want, in such a way, and after putting it I will go to wrap text and select in front of text. Now I will drag the picture to set it on the screen in such a way, and if I want to move it I will go to Ctrl X and now insert, click on pictures and select the required in such a way, go to wrap text and click on in front of text. Now I will decrease the size in such a way, in such a way. After it, I will go to insert, click on shapes and select a text box and write such a way. Here first of all I will put name, second one class, and third one address. So after it I will put name like something, and I will put class for example 10th, and here I will put address. So address, here I will put first of all house number, secondly street number, street number, comma your city name, in such a way. After it I will choose this whole one and go to home and decrease the size to 9, and after it I will select it, and now I will click on this option and remove place like such like, and now I will select this one, go to format and click on shape outline with no outline. Now I will select this one with control key in such a way, go to format and choose the color of the text which you want, such as, and now I will select this one, so now I will select this one with the help of control, again go to format, click on this option and select in such a way. So after it I will go to insert and click on pictures and select the school logo where you kept that. For example I will use this one in such a way. After it I will go to wrap text and click on in front of text. After it I will set it in such a way, in such a way. For if I want to change it, then I will go to insert, click on pictures, and again I will choose school logo, like this one, and now I will go to wrap text and click on in front of text. Now I will drag it with the help of control key in such a way. So after it I will go to insert, click on shapes and take a text box in this way, and here I will click the name of the school, In such a way, I will select whole one, go to insert, click on bold and decrease the size, and now I will put it on the place in such a way. After it, I will go to shape fill and click on no fill, shape outline with no outline, and select the color to white and select bold and increase the size. In such a way, in such a way. So after it, I will again go to insert, click on shapes, click on text box. Here I will take the text box to enter the address of the school, similarly street name, building number, secondly street number, and your area. So I will select all one, go to home and decrease the size in such a way. After it, I will click on bold and now I will press it in such a way. I will decrease the size in such a way. In such a way. So I will go to format, click on shape fill with no fill, shape outline with no outline, and I will select the color of the text. So in this way. After it, I will go to insert, click on shapes or pictures, and I will choose this barcode, and now I will go to click on wrap text and select in front of text in such a way, so I will adjust it on the row. So I will decrease the size to this one in this way. After it, the last step is to insert the signature of the student. So I will select the signatures, and again I will go to wrap text and click on in front of text in such a way. So I will decrease the size with the help of control. In such a way. So here you can see that. The size of the text is ready, and similarly my work is now done. Now if I want to add something, now I will click on this one and select the roll number, like something. In such a way. So now I will select this one and click on this one and choose the size to this one. So here a student card is ready. So before ending my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more knowledge about MS Word and Excel. Thank you.